Today, I'm going to show you how you can cut time and effort in preparing one pot, no-boil spaghetti dish. Let's begin by preheating our oven to 375 degrees. Cut about 8 ounces of thin spaghetti noodles and place the dry pasta in the ceramic baking dish. Drizzle with olive oil and toss gently to fully coat. Then add 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon dried onion, and 1/2 tablespoons powdered beef bouillon. Add a dash of ground black pepper. Next, add your favorite spaghetti sauce in generous amount to fully cover the pasta. Add 1 cup of water and stir. You can add diced vegetables such as mushrooms, broccoli, carrots, or bell pepper. And for this recipe, we're adding sweet peppers and celery. We are also adding pre-cooked meatballs. I've sliced them in halves prior to arranging them on top of the pasta sauce mix. If you prefer to use fresh meat like ground beef or sausage, it is suggested to brown the meat first on stovetop before adding to the pasta sauce mixture. I would suggest adding 1/4 cup shredded cheese to the pasta mixture to enhance the flavor before baking. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and cook in the oven for 30 minutes or until the pasta is al dente at 375 degrees. Once the pasta is done, immediately garnish the spaghetti dish with shredded cheese. If you prefer, cover the dish with aluminum foil and place it back in the oven for another 10 minutes to melt the cheese. Let the cooked pasta cool down for a few minutes before serving.